In a bright green forest, there lived a tiny red dragon named Blinky. Why? Because whenever he sneezed, something unexpected happened. The forest animals saw Blinky feeling sad, so they came to help him. The rabbit brought water. The squirrel gave a warm scarf. Blinky's sneeze turned into bright, colorful fireworks that lit up the whole sky. Everyone is special in their own way. Sometimes what we think is a weakness is actually our magic.